Welcome and thank you for joining me for another edition of Healthy Living with Avon. In this session, we'll be looking at different skin issues and how Avon can help solve them. None of us have perfect skin. Some may have oily skin, some may have dark circles or large pores. Some may even have more than one skin issue at the same time. And the main causes of our skin issues are usually the same: hereditary, aging, dry skin, prolonged crying, long hours of work in front of your computer, mental or physical stress, lack of sleep, or an unhealthy diet, or any combination of those things. The first skincare remedy I want to talk about is the one that I struggle with the most. I always seem to get dark circles under my eyes no matter how many hours sleep I get, and have a very uneven skin tone. For issues like dark circles, uneven skin tone, and rough skin texture, Avon has the Anew Vitamin C product line. This collection helps to reveal the look of radiance all over your body, but for today, we will only talk about the facial area. Although there are many products in the Anew Vitamin C line, we only need 3 of them to begin the basic skincare routine: the Anew Vitamin C Warming Peel, Vitamin C Brightening Serum, and Vitamin C Illuminating Priming Moisturizer are the essential tools to smooth and even skin tone. You may also want to add the Brightening Eye Cream to this nightly regime to add even more brightness to your under eye area. Do you have dry, flaky skin or overly large invisible pores? Think there's no way to reverse these issues? Think again. The Belief product line is the best at rehydrating your skin. With over 10 million of this line sold, the proof is in the product. The daily facial routine for dry skin and or large pores is listed for you. There are 4 main ingredients products to get what you want as a result, but there are many other incredible items to complement these 4. The first one in your must-have is the Belief Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. This has a burst of hydration that gently removes all traces of makeup and impurities. The second is the True Serum Revitalizing. This helps to visibly firm your skin and shrink large pores. The third is the Moisturizing Balm, which does exactly what it says. It adds much of the needed moisture into your skin. And then the last is one that I really like, is a sleeping mask. You put it on before you go to sleep, take it off in the morning, your skin feels alive. For those of you who are becoming more mature, we may be noticing frown lines, a few wrinkles, and sagging skin. Have no fear, because Avon can help reverse the signs of aging in a few easy steps a day. The Avon Anew Ultimate product line is the perfect solution if you're looking to regain some of that youthful skin texture and glow. As I mentioned, I think in my first video session with Healthy Living, we start losing our collagen in our face in our 30s. This Avon Anew Ultimate product line is a must-have if you want to keep looking younger and feeling good about yourself. There are 5 key items in this daily skincare routine. 2 of them are only to be used in the evening, but this combination will have you looking younger and more refreshed in as little as 2 weeks. In fact, the day cream has shown results in as little as 3 days. The gel cleanser is what you start with. Like most skincare routines that you do, cleanser is the first thing. You use that both morning and night. The eye system, you also use morning and night, but only in the evening do you use the elixir. Then you have the day cream, which, as I just said, you can see results in as little as 3 days, followed by the dual elixir, used AM and PM, and then the advanced cream, which is only used at night right before you go to sleep. If this skincare system is what you are looking for, please ask me about the Ultimate Set. Incredible discounts in this set on the must-have products listed to the left. Okay, that's all I have for this time. As always, I hope you found something you could take away from this. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Until next time, stay healthy, my friends.